Hello everyone, welcome to our demo on creating WhatsApp flows with Infobip. I'm Tracy, and together with our AI assistant Nova, we will be guiding you through how to build engaging, automated experiences for your users. Let's jump right in.
Step 1. Design the flow components in Meta Playground. In Meta Playground, you can easily design the flow by adding components. First, let's name the screen. Then we will create the product type for end users to choose from by selecting Single Choice and beginning to edit the product type. Step 2. Create the screen to collect end users' information. Next, move on to create the second screen. Click Add New under Screens and name it. Then, you can start crafting the content of this screen. Here, we'll collect the end user's information. Add a short answer component to ask the user for their name, followed by another short answer to collect their email, and another to gather their phone number. Additionally, you can add an opt-in option for the end user to agree to the terms and conditions. You can customize the content of the terms and conditions directly on Meta Playground. Once you're ready, head over to WhatsApp Business Account, also known as WABA. Here, click on Create Flow, fill in the necessary fields, and select the category. Since we're creating a static flow, choose Without Endpoint. Once the WhatsApp flow is created, go back to Meta Playground, click Copy Flow JSON, and paste it into WhatsApp Business Account to make further edits, such as adding images for the products listed. If you're using WhatsApp Business Account, also known as WABA, to create flows, you'll write your flow in Flow.json, which offers more control over the flow's design. For more complex components, such as media uploads, you can refer to the WhatsApp Flows Components documentation, which provides detailed references to the available components. Step 3. Save and copy the Flow.json. Once you've finished designing the flow, click Run to have a final check on the WhatsApp flow you created. If everything looks good, click Save. The flow ID will then appear, which means the WhatsApp flow has been successfully created.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or drop a comment to share your thoughts with us. We've got more demos and updates coming, so stick around and join us on this learning journey. See you next time!